Also among us is Nishat Shamsi, Senior Special Correspondent, IBN7, a truly enigmatic crime journalist who has intrigued audiences with his path-breaking investigation over 7 years. A very good evening. Okay, Mr. Imran Hashmi Akasam Grover, there's a simple question for you. Since you're portraying a role of a crime investigator, what do you think about the profession?
Well, this is the first time actually I'm playing a character like this. Playing a journalist, I've had immense respect for people of this profession. And he's someone who is a news anchor. He's an investigative journalist. I got to do a lot of research before we started shooting, and it was very, very interesting. The kind of deadlines. It's a kind of dangerous job when you go out there and you actually have to get your story and you have to abide by a deadline. And get your report for whatever you're investigating. So it's been fun, and I just want to say one thing about today. It's been quite an emotional journey for this film for Rush. Starting off with the shoot in KL, shooting in Delhi, shooting in Mumbai. It's been one of the most memorable experiences, and especially as far as news anchors go. I've always wanted to sit behind that seat, look into the teleprompt, and read out the news. And that was a dream come true because we actually went and shot in KL in a newsroom. So that was fantastic. So I think the entire shoot of the film has been extremely memorable.
Thank you so much. We now begin the newsroom discussion.
Don't worry, I won't grill you all too much. Like they said right now, they're not very scared of getting grilled. So yeah, so I'll start off with a couple of questions. Very generic, relevant questions. आप crime reports बनाते हैं. This is for anyone who would want to answer this. आप crime reports बनाते हैं. समय कभी ऐसी situation में पहुंचे हैं जहां आपको धमकियों का सामना करना पड़ा है. I think we were discussing it back in the. I think you'd be the. Oh, you'd want to.
Why? When I was serving for midday, 2005-2006, there was this famous bar dancer incident who was a Karolpati bar dancer. When people got to know who this bar dancer was, I was the one who unveiled her face. Apparently, हर एक bar dancer का आशिक होता है. वो आशिक कहीं ना कहीं underworld से connected था और उसने ठान ली कि मुझे gun point पे लेगा और उसने मुझे gun point पे ली. Almost कहने के लिए आसान होता है कि gun point क्या होती है, but जब सामने आ जाते हैं तो almost end up being in your pants.
Obviously gun नहीं चली थी. क्या हुआ था?
गोली नहीं चली, कट्टा था.
अच्छा कट्टा था, तो जैम हो गया.
इसलिए मैं हट्टा रह गया.
स्क्रीन पे इतना दिखता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को छुपाना ही पड़ता है. इनफैक्ट मैंने जब अपने स्टिंग की बात की कुछ दिन पहले, एक स्टिंग किया था लॉयर्स को लेकर कि किस तरह से कोर्ट में मामला सेटल होता है लॉयर्स के थ्रू. मैं वो स्टिंग नहीं चला सकी क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है उसके बाद में जो लीगल हैसल्स मेरे लिए और मेरे चैनल के लिए होते थे वो obvious problem create करते थे.
So there are a lot of pressures that also come with it.
Yes, you have to drop your stories sometime. You can't help it. You can't carry that story because you know behind your back your editors. Because when you run a channel on newspaper, it's all about marketing. If you don't get ads or if somebody who's sponsoring you says please pull back the story, you have to pull back the story. You have no other option.
Am I allowed to ask you all where do you all get your tip-offs? Tip-offs from which people, from which departments? Obviously. If you can. बॉलीवुड से भी आते हैं. अच्छा,
ऐसा है कि हमारे धंधे का मूल मंत्र ये है,
जो आप नहीं
मूल मंत्र ये है कि सोर्स हम कभी नहीं बताते.
अच्छा ठीक है. एनीवेज मैंने कोशिश की है. well, किसी केस की जानकारी पाने के लिए पुलिस वाले कितने आपको हेल्प करते हैं?
बहुत ज्यादा.